Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the draft order in your ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. After that, tap on League at the top right corner. Once you are on the League settings, tap on League Manager Tools. After that, tap on Draft Settings. Remember, only the league commissioner can change the draft order, so make sure you are logged in as the commissioner. On the draft settings section, here you can choose how you want the draft order set: random, snake or custom. If you pick custom, you can manually assign each team's draft spot. After adjusting the draft order, scroll down and tap save to lock in your changes. Make sure everything looks correct because once the draft starts, it can't be changed. And that's it, you have successfully changed the draft order on ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.